Writing your KDP book description, you can actually make it stand out with just a little HTML, and it's easier than it sounds. Today, I'll show you how to format your description using bold text, bullet points, italics, and more in a way that looks clean and consistent across Amazon. KDP does have a basic formatting toolbar now, but it can be glitchy and it doesn't always give you full control. That's why knowing how to use the source button and a bit of HTML can really help. First, head to your KDP bookshelf at kdp.amazon.com. You can either click Create to start a new book or just click Continue Setup next to the draft you're already working on. That will bring you to the paperback details section, and that's where we will update the description. Scroll down until you see the description box. You will see formatting options like bold, italics, bullet points, and headings right above the box. But if you want more control, click the source button at the very end of the toolbar. It's the last icon in the row. That opens the HTML view where you can paste in clean formatting directly. Here's a sample HTML description you can use or customize. Feel free to pause the video here if you want to read it closely or copy the code. Paste that into source view, then click source again to preview the formatting. Once it looks good, click save and continue to move to the next step. You'll also be able to preview how your description will appear on your Amazon listing later on. If you want to make the publishing process easier, from designing your cover to building out your interior, there's a tool I use that helps streamline everything in one place. You'll find the link below if you want to check it out. The tool I'm referring to is called BookBolt. It is an all-in-one platform for designing your covers and interiors, finding good keywords, and researching profitable niches. They even offer a 3-day free trial with no credit card needed, so you can test everything out first. The research tools are especially helpful. You can see what types of books are actually selling, get keyword ideas, and find underserved niches, which makes your book way more likely to stand out. And inside a BookBolt Studio, you will get drag and drop design tools, pre-made interiors, and tons of fonts and graphics. Everything is royalty free and made for publishing. And if you're planning to make puzzle books like word searches or mazes, this part is super underrated. You can literally generate puzzle pages in one click and customize everything. I've linked it down below so you can check it out. Honestly, BookBolt saves me hours of work, especially when I'm publishing books consistently. So if you're just getting started, it's definitely worth trying.